What colors should I consider to match my sofa with the curtains?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're delving into the world of interior design, specifically focusing on how to match your sofa with your curtains. Color coordination can greatly affect the atmosphere of your living space, making it either cohesive and relaxing or disjointed and stressful.
What is the color of your sofa?
First things first, take a good look at your sofa. Identifying its color is the foundation to making the right color choice for your curtains. Whether it's neutral like white, gray, or beige, or more vibrant like red, blue, or green, every sofa color has potential curtain color matches that will complement it.
Considering the room's overall color scheme.
Next, consider the overall color scheme of your room. Other elements such as the wall color, carpet or floor color, and other large pieces of furniture should all be taken into account. Your new curtains should not only match the sofa but also harmonize with the whole room.
Understanding color theory.
To find the best color match, it's crucial to have a basic understanding of color theory. Here are a few key principles. 1. Complementary colors. These are colors opposite each other on the color wheel. For instance, if your sofa is blue, a complementary curtain color would be orange. 2. Analogous colors. These are colors next to each other on the color wheel. For a green sofa, analogous curtain colors would be yellow and blue. 3. Monochromatic scheme. This involves using different shades, tones, or tints of one color. If you have a navy blue sofa, curtains in a lighter shade of blue would follow this scheme. Remember, you don't have to strictly adhere to these principles. They are just tools to help guide your decision-making process.
Playing with patterns and textures.
Aside from color, the pattern and texture of your curtains can also contribute to the overall aesthetics of your room. A patterned curtain can add visual interest, especially if your sofa is a solid color. Alternatively, a textured curtain can add depth to your room, especially when paired with a smooth, leather sofa. Matching your sofa with your curtains can seem challenging at first, but with a bit of color theory and consideration of your room's overall aesthetic, it's a feat you can definitely achieve. Remember, there are no strict rules in interior design. Your space should primarily reflect your personal style and comfort. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy decorating!